Hey Plant Pals, it's Mike the Creative Gardener, and today's video is on humility. Sometimes gardening will teach you to be humble. So I had all kinds of fruit and cherries. This is a 2-year-old tomato plant that I've been growing in a jar. I was so busy setting up everything else that when I moved things around, I lifted this jar up and it felt light. So I poured too much plant food solution too high, and your plant grows what are called air roots, and so it will breathe and exchange gases from, say, this from here to here. And if you put solution up to here, not paying attention, you can literally drown your plant. So look how sad he looks. He was full and lush, and now he's drooping and sad, and he may not recover. And that will be my fault. That's something I did to this poor plant. Now, had I paid attention and been less chaotic, this plant would be thriving. If it does come back, I will be thrilled. If it doesn't, again, that's completely my fault. And I will show you another issue I'm having right now. This unit was thriving, full of tomatoes and peppers, and it's looking in pretty sad shape. And that's because the pump that was supplying the oxygenation of the water, the pump died on this unit. And the plants have suffered for it. That, again, that's not my fault, but I should have been paying more attention. When I started seeing the plants, the leaves get yellow and stuff, I should have figured there was something going on with it. But, however, this pepper plant, it's still producing peppers. It's still pretty happy, and there's a big one. Let's see if I can show it here. There's a big one back there, and there's another one hanging down here. So even when you're not properly taking care of these things as they should, or something mechanical happens to the unit, the plants want to grow. They want to thrive. And if I correct this situation by adding an air stone, which I plan to do, this plant will probably bounce right back. And like this tomato is on its last legs here, but it wasn't even a variety that I thought was particularly tasty, but I did want to finish out growing the tomatoes. I will remove that plant and put another pepper plant in there, and then keep the cycle going. Now right next to it, sadly, is my AeroGarden, and you see all the beautiful peppers that are growing on it, and it's just chock full up to the light. The problem is there are spider mites on this thing. They somehow got in the house and they are attacking this poor plant, so it's losing all of its leaves. But again, it wants to thrive. This plant wants to continue to grow and produce peppers for me. So that just tells you to pay attention and not give up. And when something bad happens, like you're attacked by the spider mites, you just spray a little peroxide water on them and a little bit of neem oil when the light's not running, and that will take care of the problem, and hopefully your plant will bounce back. But I also still have these Sugar Rush peach peppers, which is not supposed to be able to grow in an AeroGarden, but clearly I am, because it's a tall plant. But I've been training it to grow in my AeroGarden, and there's all kinds of beautiful peppers on there. See if you can see them. There's a bunch back there. Yeah, it's really cool. So yeah, so I've had some misses, and I'm still plugging along, and hopefully the plants will too. All right, so a lot of YouTubers will show you their beautiful successes, and that's all you see. I want you to see the real deal. This is gardening, and sometimes things happen. Sometimes you kill your plants. Sometimes they'll come back despite that. All right, thanks for watching. Any questions, comments, please in the comment section. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.